You're browsing online looking for limited edition collectibles, rare gaming accessories, or exclusive fandom merch, and suddenly you land on Geekflora Shop. The site promises premium figurines, special edition consoles, and hard-to-find pop culture items at prices that look almost too good to be true. You scroll through the catalog, and before hitting Buy Now, you stop and wonder, is Geekflora Shop a legitimate online store in 2026? Or is this just another scam disguised behind cool graphics and discounted fandom merch? Welcome to GigaBits, where we test real online shops, digital marketplaces, and niche stores so you know exactly what's worth your money and what's a red flag. Today, we are digging deep into Geekflora Shop to see whether it's a trustworthy place for collectors or a site you should absolutely avoid. I spent an entire week evaluating Geekflora Shop from the perspective of a real buyer. I browsed the catalog, attempted to place an order, tested the checkout process, monitored payment security, and reached out to customer support. I also ran the website through scam detection tools, checked domain records, and compared listed products with official manufacturer catalogs. To understand how Geekflora Shop stacks up, I compared it with legitimate collectible stores like Entertainment Earth, Big Bad Toy Store, GameStop Collectibles, and My Plastic Heart. I also looked through user reviews, buyer complaints, Reddit threads, and online scam reporting portals. After reviewing all this data, I now have a clear and honest understanding of how Geekflora Shop operates in 2026. So, is Geekflora Shop a real online store or a scam in 2026? Geekflora markets itself as a premium collectible store offering rare figurines, anime statues, gaming gear, and exclusive limited edition merch. It highlights worldwide shipping, authentic products, secure checkout, and fast processing times. But does the shop actually deliver any of these things? Are the products real? Are customers receiving what they order? And more importantly, is paying here safe? Step 1. Product legitimacy. Right away, the product listings raised multiple red flags. Many of the figurines are shown using official manufacturer photos, but the pricing is far below market value, a common tactic used by scam shops. Several items labeled as limited edition were confirmed to be out of production for years, making it impossible for a small shop to restock them legitimately. Step 2. Website design and functionality. The homepage looks clean at first glance, but deeper navigation reveals inconsistencies. Product descriptions are copied word for word from major retailers. Some pages contain broken English or placeholder text. The reviews section shows generic comments with repeated names and identical timestamps, another classic sign of inauthentic activity. Step 3. Checkout and payment security. This is where the biggest risk appears. Geekflora Shop pushes card payments and third-party processors with no trusted seals, no SSL certificate verification, and no recognized payment gateways. There's no PayPal option, no buyer protection, and no transparent refund policy. Scam tracking databases list their payment processor as suspicious. Step 4. Shipping and processing claims. The site promises fast shipping, but no tracking provider is mentioned. Customers online report placing orders and never receiving any updates. Some mention receiving fake tracking numbers that never activate. Step 5. Customer support. Geekflora provides a single email as its main support channel, and responses, if they arrive at all, are generic, automated, and unhelpful. There is no phone number, no physical address, and no live chat support. Every attempt to ask about product authenticity or order security was ignored. Step 6. Business identity and domain check. The domain is recently created and registered under a privacy shield to hide ownership. The company name listed on the website does not appear in any business registry. The About Us page uses generic AI-generated text that provides no verifiable information about the brand. So, is Geekflora Shop a real online store or a scam in 2026? Pros: attractive website design, large catalog of popular collectibles, professional images but not taken by the store. Warning: prices too low to be realistic, product photos copied from official retailers, no verified business identity, no reliable customer support, no secure payment gateway, Users report never receiving orders, domain registered recently with hidden owner, fake reviews, and recycled descriptions. Bottom line, Geekflora Shop is not a legitimate collectible store. The lack of transparency, suspicious pricing, non-functional support, and overwhelming scam reports make it a high-risk site. If you're looking for real figures or gaming collectibles in 2026, stick to established and verified retailers, not this one. Geekflora appears to be designed to collect payments without delivering products. If this review helped you avoid a potential scam and better understand how Geekflora Shop operates in 2026, hit like and subscribe to GigaBits. Share your experience in the comments. Have you ever been tempted by a site with prices that seemed too good to be true? Thanks for watching GigaBits, helping your tech, tools, and money stay safe in 2026.